I just have like this great support system here in Alvernia, not just a Reading Collegiate Scholars Program, but staff and faculty, professors, as well classmates.
So SOLAR stands for Support, Opportunity, Love, Access, and Resources, with the idea being that our students will need different levels of support, different levels of access.
I look at it as meeting students at their latitudes and their longitudes.
Everybody's situation is different.
So the staff was very understanding after I told them the situation that I was in, not being able to afford my materials. So they gave me temporary codes to access my books until I was able to get them.
There's so much that students are bearing on their shoulders, not only just academically, but also personally. Allowing them to be the drivers in the driver's seat and just taking that ride with them and helping them navigate this academic journey.
I feel getting money from the Hope Fund or something, just a small little support, is nice, especially when it's just your textbooks. It just took a big portion of everything off of my plate. I had a lot less to stress over, and I was able to focus a lot more on school.
And sometimes I don't have, an outfit for this interview, or I use the career closet. Whenever I'm probably hungry, I go to the Claire's cupboard and eat something.
SOLAR is an initiative that is for all student populations, our undergraduate students, but also for all of our online students, of course in our master's and doctoral levels too, that everybody is a part of SOLAR.
SOLAR, a culture of care, means to me a community where people feel supported, having their voices heard. For Alvernia, we have 5 core values, which one of them is collegiality. Check in on each other, support each other.
Every semester, they're extremely willing to still help out. So it's not like a once and done thing. They will continuously help you if you need it.
There's no judgment, so it doesn't hurt to reach out and ask a question. You don't have to do it through face-to-face, you can do it email.
I remember I had a situation in which I was almost homeless, and thanks to the SOLAR program, they offered me to stay on campus. It was really relieving that they did that for me.
Without the support for my textbooks, I wouldn't have been able to succeed in the nursing program. I would have failed, and I would have had to either drop that program or drop out of school.
When I'm talking to a student and they say, look, I didn't think I'd come back to school. I didn't think I'd be able to stay in school. But now look at me, I'm the speaker at commencement. It's just amazing.